What is up, people from YouTube? Sam here again from Bullion Hub. Nice to have you back. So in today's video I want to talk to you about my coin collection. As you guys know from my first video, I started silver and gold coin stacking in 2020, in October of 2020. At the moment, I'm a newbie, I'm on a budget, so I'm just stacking silver. I had to start somewhere, so silver is the next best place. And when I can afford it, gold is my next goal, let's just say. So to start off with, just to remind you guys, I am a newbie, so if I do get anything wrong, please let me know. Don't just say that's wrong, let me know. Obviously if I'm wrong with dates or any information I mention, please let me know, because I'm always learning. So first of all, I want to show you the coins I have up to now. So now it's just the beginning of 2021. We're still in January, first week of January. As I mentioned, I did start bullion stacking, coin stacking, silver stacking in October, mid-October of 2020. So it's only been about 2 months and a bit. So this is what I have up to now, which I'm quite happy with. And I'd just like to go through everything, all my coins, to explain exactly what I have. Okay, let's start off with the panda. I love this panda. Okay, you can see it perfectly. 3 9s, silver, pure silver, and as we know, the pandas are only 30 grams. Okay, the 30 grams. Okay, and then the obverse is obviously the Chinese mint. This is all what Chinese coins have, which is the remind me guys, it's the palace of I forgot what it's called now, totally forgot. But anyway, so this is one of my first coins I ever got, which I'm really happy about. I've always wanted to get one. So that is my panda from the year, 2019, so not too old. Now let me just stick that one over here. The next one I got, which this was actually the second, was the Royal Mint, which is Liberty, a 399's fine Liberty. There you go, 2020. And the obverse is obviously the Queen of England. This is a £2 coin, and we have Elizabeth II on here. Let me see if I can get even closer. But yeah, she is a beauty. Perfect. So yeah, this is the Britannia coin, which I'm really happy about. Really cool. Next one, here we are. Okay, this is the Morgan dollar, if I'm correct. Yeah, this is the Morgan dollar, and the obverse we have a 1896 Morgan dollar. Now I'll be taking you on my advantage when I go get coin collecting. I have many places I go. Obviously, some of them are the official sites, where we buy the bullion from, and then I actually go to a local market, a street market, where I also buy my coins. But you have to be very careful. I've got different ways of testing. I hope they are working, but at the moment I haven't had any bad luck. Next one is this lovely maple leaf, obviously the Canadian Royal Mint. As you may be able to appreciate, the actual leaf is in gold, which is beautiful. And again at the back we have Elizabeth II, Queen, and this is a 2014. Beautiful $5. Just lovely. Perfect, cool. Next coin is one of my favorites, and I think it's the best ones to, one of the best ones to actually collect, stack, which is of course the Silver Eagle, the Liberty Silver Eagle. Again, 399 fine, and it's a 1990. You can see there, 1990. Beautiful. I actually got this one from the market, the street market. And it wasn't that expensive, which was great. So there is bargains out there. Just to remind you guys, I live in Spain, so obviously things are different for every country, but yeah, definitely. So I'm able to go to Spain anywhere I go, and there is I'll definitely want to take you. There is a stall in the local market I go to that is just coins, just full of coins. Every single coin you want, you can actually find there. I've got to know the guy. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode. Oh, do not disturb, and I just had a call come in. Sorry about the interruption. This is my second American Silver Eagle. Again, beautiful, happy with it. 399's fine, beautiful. And then here on the obverse we have Miss Liberty. This is a 2015 coin, and just a beauty. Love it. Next one we have is the Mexican Libertad. The Mexican Libertad here, you've got the eagle with the worm and the cactus at the bottom of it. And then these are the 10 states, provinces of Mexico. So this is another beauty. I got this one at the market as well. And this one's a, of course, 399's pure. And it's a 2018. I also got this one at the market, as I mentioned, which is great. Happy about this one. I always test them before I buy them in a place that is not certified, so you guys know, please be careful. So that's the other one. And next one is one I've always wanted, is the Silver Krugerrand, which is a 2020 Silver Krugerrand, which is perfect. Love it. And then here on the obverse we have, I don't actually know, if someone could tell me please, I forgot to research this before I did the video, who this man actually is. Obviously it's someone famous, I just don't know who he was. I tend to do research before I do my YouTube video, but this time I forgot to look at oops, that one's gone down. I forgot to look at him. Sorry about that. And last, well actually not the last one, I'm keeping the last for but not least to the end, but this is a, again, 2018 Australian Kookaburra. Lovely Australian Kookaburra 2018. Lovely. Again we have Miss Elizabeth II, Queen of the England of United Kingdom. Again, $1. Beauty. And now this is my main collection here. Plus, let me just get the one I've just dropped, excuse me. Okay, here we are back, sorry, for the Krugerrand. So that's it, but last but not least, oh sorry, not least, sorry, I'm wrong here. I also got this $1/2. I'm not sure if it was worth getting, but this is a Liberty $1/2, 1964. I'm not sure it was worth getting. It wasn't really expensive. I actually got it from Germany. I bought it from Germany. It came in the post, and it wasn't really expensive. I think it was like €9 including the post. So I think that was maybe €9, $8 or not, or maybe $7.50. I'm not sure, but that's the $1/2 Liberty. Cool. And then now for the piece of resistance, I'm not sure what that's doing there, is the one I am so happy I got. Oops, sorry, wrong way. End of World War II, 75th anniversary silver medal. Now I did try to get the actual silver coin that came out, I think was the 9th of November, but impossible. I got it into my into the trolley, into the cart, and it was just impossible to pay. But I am so happy I managed to get this one, and the presentation is awesome, guys. Just having a look here, wow, I just love it. Beautiful. And it comes in its blue velvet case. I always forget, oh that's it, it opens this way. Ah, what a beauty, look at that. Let me get this one out. I am so happy about that one. Liberty, World War II, 1945. Let's have a look at the other side. Oops, wrong way. 75th anniversary. I am so chuffed. I am so happy I managed to get this one. Sorry, I'm trying to get the reflection of my phone out of the way. But I am so happy I managed to get the medal. I wasn't able to get the coin, so I mean at least the medal is better than nothing. So guys, this is my collection up to now. So I've got my the 75th anniversary. I've got my little $1 and all these 1 ounce 0.999 silver. Up to now, I mean, I've only been doing it for like I think 2 months and a bit. Started mid-October 2020, and now it's just January, beginning of January 2021. So yeah, this is it up to now, guys, and just wanted to show you this is my beginning. This is how I'm starting doing my silver stacking. Obviously I should have started before doing the recordings, but I mean, I've started doing now my YouTube channel, so please feel free to follow me on my YouTube channel, Bullion Hub. Press that bell icon and that like button, and also please feel free to follow me, on my Instagram, which is Bullion Hub. Thank you ever so much, guys. That's all for now. Bye.